The map.
Oh, God.
Austin, what's our plan?
According to this map, the entire island is crawling with Dr. Evil's guards.
I want to make sure the explosives didn't get wet, but I can't find them.
Look in the bottom.
Okay, I'll dig a little deeper. Wow, this bag is really full.
Just keep digging, darling.
I'll just feel around for them. Good Lord, Austin. What sort of things do you keep in here?
Anything that catches my fancy, you know? Give it a good tug.
Oh, do you really need this?
I'll ask you not to open that inside. Thank you very much.
Sorry.
Okay.
Oops, it went on.
Yes. It does that from time to time. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nasty. Yeah, sorry about that.
Smell it.
Where are these people making me sick? Can you snap me a beer? What is it?
It's a gerbil. How did that get in your bag?
I don't know.
Got this packed really tight. Are you okay?
Yeah, I just got a bit of a back cramp, that's all. Just keep packing it in.
I found the explosives. Help me check them.
You're surrounded! Drop your weapons! Hands up! Move out!